Hey guys, it's Bats here. I wanted to thank you for clicking on the video today. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And then we can bring you more quality content, tips and tricks that'll help you get to Shark Reef here a lot faster. Hey guys, it's Vegas here. So as you can see, we wasted no time getting into our next game over here. We're gonna go ahead and pick our bet line of 300K, and that is gonna start us on the Shaq Nine here. So as you know, Shaq is a big proponent of MyVegas, or at least seems to be, and we're gonna be risking about 30 million chips with our friend Shaquille O'Neal. So let's go ahead and see what he can do. Put 100 spins on the clock. Ready, go. Okay, so the Shaq Nine, I think it's called the Shaq Nine. That's the name of it, because you know, back nine, Shaq Nine. It's a golfing game, and like the whole shtick with it is on the PC you actually do play a little 9-hole round of golf with Shaq here. I think on this one he does a little bit more of his signature dancing and all that, and he definitely does toss in some wilds there, and those are usually the bonuses. Hopefully this one goes better than Shaq Jack. I know last time we had Shaq on the attack, he didn't do so much for us there, but I'm thinking this go around he might actually just oh, when we get our first bonus of the game, straight out the gate. Alright. Shaquista bonus. I don't know what Shaquista means. Oh, that does mean... Okay, so we got a par 4 here. Oh, so it's like Mario Golf. Okay, I like this. So we want to go ahead and press swing here, while that arrow in this corner over here, it's in this green section. So let's see if we can get it in the green. Oh, we hit the yellow. Darn. That's no good. So we got 500,000 off that. It's 4 for par though. Can we make a par 4? Nope. Man, it's really hard to get in that green over there. It's not like Mario Golf, where it's not as responsive. Okay, maybe that's because we're playing on the emulator. I don't actually know. Ooh, we did make the green. All right. Is that a birdie? All right. I think that's a birdie. Yep. Nice. So we won 1.3 million chips, and all right. So we have the option to play instant win instead of the golf bonus. But let's go ahead and play through, because we don't want to just do instant win. That's no fun. Let's go ahead and play the golf bonus every time, and let's go ahead and see how we do on these free spins now. All right, now this is fun. Nice little skill game involved. Timing. All right. There's our Shaq 9 lined up. Let's see what these 10 spins do for us here. All right. All right, and the music's jamming too. That's pretty dope. And then he's got the stars going back and forth. I don't know. I didn't know that Shaq golfs. I mean, I knew that Jordan golfed, honestly, but you know, I did not know that Shaq was a golfer. Okay, we got 10 million. All right, so already we're up 15 million from when we started, or 12 million from when we started. So hopefully this keeps up here. Nice. All right. So let's go ahead and see how the rest of the game plays out. We have a lot of spins ahead of us, so let's keep it rolling. All right, because that was only our first 15 spins, honestly. So let's see what else they end up doing over here. So getting ready for another trip to Vegas actually here pretty soon. Gonna be staying at the Signature at MGM Grand. So I'm not sure if you guys know anything about that. There used to be a theme park over at the MGM Grand, and then that got demolished to make room for these condo for these kind of condo hotel rooms. That's called the Signature. So it's 3 towers, just slightly off the strip, right behind the MGM Grand, and they have their own pools and all that good type of stuff too. But the cool part about it is you get to do all the MGM Grand stuff while you're at the MGM Grand Signature, which is actually really nice. So it's like 2 hotels in one, honestly. So you stay. It's a little quieter out here. Not sure what the parking's like, and not really sure what the front desk is like. It'll be the first time I've been there. I've been to MGM Grand. I think that was the hotel I stayed at during my second trip to Vegas, actually. The MGM Grand, and it was awesome. It's huge. The whole property is ginormous. The pool's outstanding. So I have high hopes here for the Signature, and hopefully the Signature lives up to the expectation there. I presume it'll be great. Not quite as gimmicky. I do wish that I had been around to go ahead and see the theme park there, because they used to have this big old like kind of Disneyland-esque theme park, and I think the whole trick was like giving kids something to do while mom and dad gambled or something like that. That was during the late 90s, early 2000s, when Vegas was still being touted as like a big family-friendly place. Oh, and we got Triple Shaq Wilds here, so we got to spin till we win. And Shaq is beatboxing. All right, this is gonna go on for a little while. I see. Oh, okay, we got a good one. All right. So I guess when he shows up in spades here, that's when we get the bonus there. All right. That's all right. That's a little goofy. I like that. That's fun. Hopefully we get another one of those Shaq Nines. I want to play the golf game again. That actually is legitimately kind of fun. Like a miniature Mario Golf. I'd like to play that again. Hopefully we catch another one in the next 40 spins here. I'm not doing too bad today. I might start cashing in a couple of these rewards here, just because we do have that trip coming up. 1D isn't going to be able to make it. It's a new school year, and I'm not sure if you guys know her civilian identity is in education. So needless to say, new school year, new students, it's not something that she can just take off in the middle of. So instead, we've actually got a guest star coming in to go ahead and shoot those videos with us. It'll be really fun too. It's going to be a surprise. I'll have to add her Snapchat or Instagram handle on the videos and all that, but it'll be cool. It'll be fun. And yeah, so we'll go ahead and have a good time with that. And already we are losing our advantage here. We're getting a couple good wins. We only got 20 spins to go right about now. It's only 20 more spins. I'm really hoping we get one more Shaq 9 bonus. Again, I just want to play the golf game again. It's just a fun game to play. Kind of reminds me of Mario Golf on the N64. Which reminds me, I just downloaded Project 64. If you guys haven't checked out that emulator, it's a great little emulator there. I think it's outstanding. Something to go ahead and check out and support if you can. You know, I think that they only ask a couple bucks if you can. They don't force you to pay for it to make the thing work, which I think is pretty dope. They just enjoy gaming, and they like to get that old school stuff on there. Like I downloaded Pokemon Stadium, and I haven't played that in like a million years, and they don't have it on the Switch or on the Wii as far as I know. So I figured that'd be kind of a fun game to play there. And then here's our last spin of the day. No bonus. Oh, no whammy, no whammy. All right, but it looks like we're up to 236,088,036. We started with 233,838,036 too. So when we break that down, that looks like we actually made something like actually, what is that? All right, so 233,838. I think that means that we made 2.25, yeah, 2,250,000 chips on top of the 30 million that we risked there. So we wagered 30 million. We brought back out 32 million. 250,000, and when you divide that out, that brings us to a cool bonus of 107.5%. So that's a good payback there. 100.7 or 107.5% payback. So that's actually one of our positive games there. So we're gonna go ahead and go back now and we're actually going to save Shaq 9 as soon as we get rid of this. We're going to save Shaq 9. There's another fall bonus one with the pumpkin spice latte, and we're going to save Shaq 9 as a favorite here. So we're still overall up for the experiment. So next time I think we should look at maybe in celebration and go into the signature. Let's look at MGM Grand Megastars next time here, and yeah, we'll just go ahead and go from there. So until then, Ace of Vegas is signing out. Happy spinning, guys, and good luck.